Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll learn the problems of 1 mark and short answer question from 7th chapter, that is Atoms and Molecules of class 10. First, choose the best answer. First question, which of the following has the smallest mass? Option A is 6.0 to the 10 power 23 atoms of helium is 4 gram. Next, 1 atom of helium is 4 gram. That means this 6.0 to 10 power 20 will come to denominator. That means 1 atom of helium. So 6.023 into 10 power 23. If you simplify, we'll get 6.64 in 10 power minus 24 gram. Next, 2 gram of helium is 2 gram. Next, 1 mole atoms of helium is 4 gram. Comparing these 4, this is smallest one because 10 power minus 24 is a very smallest one. So smallest mass is 1 atom of helium. Option B is the right answer. Next, second, choose the best answer. Which of the following is a triatomic molecule? Glucose, formula C6H12O6. So this is polyatomic molecule. Helium, He, this is monoatomic molecule. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Here 1 carbon atom, 2 oxygen atom. So this is a triatomic molecule. If you take hydrogen, hydrogen is a diatomic molecule. So according to the question, option C is the right answer. Carbon dioxide is a triatomic molecule. Third, choose the best answer. The volume occupied by 4.4 gram of CO2 at standard temperature pressure. Volume formula, that is volume occupied by 4.4 gram of CO2 is number of moles into molar volume. Number of moles we have to calculate. Given mass is 4.4 gram. So 4.4 molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44. So if you simplify, you will get 0.1 mole. So a number of moles is 0.1 into molar volume is 22.4 liter. If you multiply, you will get 2.24 liter. According to this, option B is the best one. Fourth, choose the best answer. Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom is mass formula number of moles into atomic mass. A number of moles given question 1 mole into atomic mass of nitrogen. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 gram. If you multiply, you will get 14 gram. According to this, option D is the best one. Seventh, choose the best answer. The volume occupied by 1 mole of a diatomic gas at standard temperature pressure. We know that volume occupied by 1 mole of diatomic gas at STP is number of moles into molar volume. Now number of moles given 1 mole. Molar volume, that is 22.4 liter. If you multiply, you will get 22.4 liter. According to this, option C is the right one. Eighth, choose the best answer. In the nucleus of 20Ca40 calcium, there are how many protons, how many neutrons? We have to find out. Any chemical element of nucleus will be denoted like this, XZA. Here calcium 20A, 2040. If you compare this, Z is equal 20, then A is equal 40. Z is nothing but atomic number, number of proton or number of electrons. So Z represents three things. Number of proton is 20. This A represents atomic mass or mass number. In option, there will be the in terms of neutron also. So that N is equal to A minus Z. N is equal to A is 40 minus Z is 20. So N is equal 20. So neutron number is 20, proton number is 20. So according to this, option B is the right one. 20 protons and 20 neutrons. Ninth, choose the best answer. The gram molecular mass of oxygen molecule is. So gram molecular mass of oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule is O2. So 2O is atomic mass of oxygen. 2 atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. So 2 16s are 32 gram. According to this, option C is the right answer, 32 gram. Match the following. A given amount of substance here given number of moles, we have to match correctly. For this general equation, number of moles is equal to given mass by atomic or molecular mass. For first one, 8 gram. So 8 gram of O2 is mass is 8. Molecular mass of oxygen is 32. If we divide, we'll get 0.25 moles. So for 8 gram of oxygen, 0.25. So this is 1. Next, 4 gram of hydrogen. 4g of hydrogen molecule. Given mass is 4. Atomic molecular mass of hydrogen is 2. If we divide, we'll get 2 moles. So 2 moles is second one. Next, for third one, 52 gram of helium. 52 gram of helium atom. Given mass is 52. Atomic mass of helium is 4. If we divide, we'll get 13 moles. So 13 moles for third one. This is 3. Next, 112 gram of nitrogen molecule. 112 gram of nitrogen molecule. Given mass is 112. Atomic mass of or molecular mass of nitrogen is 28 is equal to, if we divide this, we'll get 4 moles. So 4 moles is the fourth option, fourth answer, 4. Next, 35.5 gram of chlorine molecule. 35.5 gram of chlorine molecule. Given mass 35.5. Molecular mass of chlorine is 71. If we divide, we'll get 0.5 moles. So 0.5 is for fifth answer. So our answer is 41253. Next, fourth Roman letter, true or false. The given statement, if false, we have to correct it. Molar mass of CO2 is 42 gram. Calculate the molar mass. CO2, you can write as C, atomic mass of carbon plus 2 oxygen. So 2 into atomic mass of oxygen. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 2. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 12 plus 16 2s are 32. If you add together, you will get 44 gram. But given in the statement 42 gram, so this is false. Answer for molar mass of CO2 is 44 gram. In the short answer question part, sixth one, find the percentage of nitrogen in ammonia. Formula for this, percentage of nitrogen in ammonia is a ratio of mass of nitrogen to the molar mass of ammonia. For percentage, we multiply it with 100%. So mass of nitrogen, we know that 14 gram. Then molar mass of ammonia. So NH3 we have to find out, N plus 3 into H. So mass of nitrogen, atomic mass of nitrogen 14 plus 3. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 14 plus 3 is equal to 17 gram. This is molar mass of ammonia. So molar mass of ammonia you can substitute 17 gram into 100%. This gram going to be cancelled. Now if you divide this 14 by 17, we will get 0.8235 into 100%. This value multiplied by 100%, you will get 82.35%. This is percentage of nitrogen in ammonia. Thank you, students.